Ideas are innovative thoughts that can spark us at any time. Those ideas can be of various niches, either related to academics, business, arts, or anything of an individual's interest. Ideas come and drift away in seconds, so it is highly advised, mates, to keep your ideas in a chest box so they never escape your mind. Sometimes fantastic ideas can lead to many super beneficial profits. A person's life is entirely dependent on how he thinks. Our mindset plays a significant role in determining how we live life and how can we sustain that lifestyle. Have you ever wondered what kind of lifestyle you possess? There are two types of mindsets. One is a growth mindset and the other is a fixed mindset. Individuals who have growth mindsets possess the ultimate ability to change their destinies. They never accept defeat. They always believe that there is room for improvement. People who have stagnant mindsets like fixed ones remain stuck in the same position. They never win. Since you guys know the difference between the two terms, let me know in the comments section which type of mindset you have. Before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Entrepreneurship is a kind of emerging field these days. This emerging field requires resources, goals, and humans to compile those ideas for better results. Anyone can establish a business. However, developing a winning business with guaranteed success is tough. The first step towards establishing a winning business is to have that peculiar mindset. How do we establish that mindset? A winning business mindset requires a set of goals, a plan of action to achieve, and the ability to embrace the challenges with resilience and confidence. The development of a successful business requires many more things than resources. Ability to combat all the failures and challenges, never give up on your dreams, learn from mistakes, and develop problem-solving and decision-making skills. A winning mindset should have concrete and measurable goals. The goals that are practically not within the human boundary can lead to struggle and hardships with no result at all. The ultimate goal is to establish a successful business while overcoming every failure and hardship. Setting goals is extremely important in this journey. We need a roadmap to reach our destination. Likewise, we need a roadmap to achieve our goals. Setting goals provides us with a clear view towards our final step. Nothing can stop the man with the right mental attitude from achieving his goal. Nothing on earth can help the man with the wrong mental attitude. Thomas Jefferson. The importance of a goal should never be underestimated. A growth mindset lets you learn new things and makes you a better person. Whenever we go to a new place, we require some guidance to guide us through that journey. Without a guide, we can never explore the art of things. That's how goals play a role in our lives. They act as a guide. A firm understanding of having goals aids in developing a new pathway to one's journey. The setting of goals is followed by the plan of action. All the necessary measures are decided beforehand to establish a successful and sustainable business. The development of a business outline involves the goals, objective strategies and plans that will be used to attain them. Establishing a winning business requires a strategic mindset as well as a strong mindset. Keeping in view all the drawbacks and limitations, developing a sustainable and profit-yielding business plan is necessary. I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times, I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed. Michael Jordan. Developing a business requires many skills other than the resources and finances associated with it. The potential risks associated with the business plan shall also be taken into consideration. Accepting change in the journey of developing a plan is a critical step. Here, change refers to any failure or obstacle. It is human nature that when we encounter any failure, we tend to question our existence. We immediately lose our motivation and we start to devalue ourselves. However, it ain't right. Facing failures does not mean that you are not capable. Failures are part of your training. They train you and broaden your spectrum of viewing things. The challenges and failures strengthen your capabilities. This way you start to find new possibilities and begin to view things differently. To develop success, it is recommended to embrace failures wholeheartedly. Let the change begin. To grow your business, try to learn from your mistakes. Never remain stagnant in one place after encountering failure. Learn from it and never let that same mistake happen to you again. Dwelling on mistakes can be harmful to your business's mindset. It becomes challenging when you have to face constant hardships. At this point, stay motivated and patient. Patience will yield tremendous results. When you look at successful people, you will find that they aren't the people who are motivated but have consistency in their motivation. Arsene Wenger. Staying motivated is the only way by which you can keep moving forward. Having a growth mindset requires staying motivated and facing hardships bravely. Have you ever felt that you are losing motivation? If yes, then the easiest way to keep up with the motivation is to remember the outcome of the journey. The result will always help you to stay calm and motivated. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.